What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day. If you're looking for a Chromebook and you love Samsung Chromebooks, because you know Chromebooks overall are really difficult to get, at least they were the past few months since COVID started about almost a year ago. Well, you can pre-order one now. Samsung is put up for pre-order their new Galaxy Chromebook 2. They start for as little, or if you want to call it little, $549, and they go for as much as $699 if you max it out with their i3 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, and they'll be available on March 1st. They do have some trade-ins if you want to take advantage of that to take the price a little bit lower. Also, as you can see, you will get a $50 Samsung credit that you can use towards Galaxy Buds Pro, their Watch 3, or something else. And again, that is linked down below. And again, if you're looking for a Chromebook, Samsung Chromebooks are really, really nice. My brother-in-law got one. He absolutely loves it. They have great displays. It's a QLED display. And a price, again, a little bit high for the Chromebook side. But if you're looking for a Chromebook, this should be pretty good. And the last story of the day is about a potential iPhone folding phone. And now, this is a lot of salt, pinches of salt. This might and probably won't come true, but it also might. So we're just gonna talk about it just for the sake of it, because it's kind of a slow tech news day and it's kind of fun. I love folding phones. I love my Galaxy Z Fold 2. Galaxy Z Fold 3 will come out this year as well, and folding phones seem to be the future of mobile technology, whereas everybody's putting one out. So why not Apple? All right, so this information is coming from iPhone in Canada. It's a blog site, and they're talking about a translation from a Chinese analyst firm called Equal Ocean, and they have reported that Apple's first foldable phone may add Apple Pencil support. Additionally, the firm claims that the foldable iPhone will feature a 7.3 to 7.6 inch OLED display and may launch in 2023. Here's the exact translation from what they said, from what Equal Ocean said. Omidia, a global communication and digital media research organization, predicts that the Apple may launch a 7.3 to 7.6 inch OLED smartphone in 2023 and add an activity pen to its foldable iPhone. Now, activity pen is a translation to probably mean Apple Pencil. So that brings it into line with what we kind of expect actually with the next Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is rumored to have S Pen support, have a 7.6 inch display, which this one is 7.6, but the big takeaway would be the pencil support. And that's going to be very similar. But obviously with Apple, you're going to get the same ecosystem that you know and love, which would be compatible with your MacBook and your Apple TV and darn well integrated with everything. But now having a foldable device, this would really make me want to get that Apple phone, because I love foldable phones. I know how much I love how large this display is and beautiful it is, and having an OLED display on this and an OLED display on that. I don't know, it'd be really cool to try out. So what do you guys think about Apple's folding phone? What do you think they'll do to make you potentially want it or not want it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.